Want to create this material style navigation bar inside Figma? Let's start. First of all, select a frame and set the height around 99 pixels. Then go to Plugins and search for material symbols. Then add two variants of one icon, outline and fill version. Press Alt and duplicate the icon and turn on the fill from there. And then create a component set and change the name of the filled icon. Then select a rectangle and set the weight around 64 pixels and height 32 pixels and rounded the corners. Then right-click and select Frame Selection, then add the outline icon and align it. Then create a duplicate and select the fill icon from there, and decrease the weight of the first rectangle by pressing Alt and set the opacity 0%. And create another component set, and go to Prototype and select Smart Animate and connect these frames. That's it. Subscribe to Sharif Ahmed Edits for more.